Hello students, a very wonderful good morning to you all. I am Sukhvinder Kaur from Dipstanda. Now let's start with the active passive in simple present tense. In simple present tense, in active sentence there is first subject, then first form of verb plus object. In first and second person there is only first form of verb, but in the third person there is s and es with the first form of verb. Now when we make it passive, the object becomes subject and the auxiliary verbs will are, is, am and are, plus past participle of the main verb plus by and then the object. Here the subject becomes the object and object becomes the subject. In negative and interrogative sentences, first there is a subject, then auxiliary verb plus not, then third form of verb plus by and then the object. In interrogative sentences, auxiliary verb comes in the beginning, then the subject, then verb, third form of verb followed by and then the object, and at the end there is a sign of interrogation. See the example. Active. Leela waters the plants every day. Here plants are in the plural form, so we uses the auxiliary verb are. The plants are watered by Leela every day. In present perfect tense, in active form, first there is subject, then auxiliary verbs are has and have plus third form of verb and the object. In passive form, object becomes the subject, then auxiliary verbs are has been and have been. Then it is followed by third form of the verb plus preposition by and the object. See the example. Danny has finished the homework. Here Danny is the subject, has is the auxiliary verb, it is third form of verb and the homework is the object. Now in passive sentence, the homework has been finished by Danny. In simple future tense, in active sentence there is first subject, then will shall plus first form of verb and the object. Will is used with the second and third person, shall is used with the first person. Passive form, first object becomes the subject, then auxiliary verbs become will be and shall be, then third form of verb followed by preposition by and then the object. See the example. Active form, Nidhi will call you tomorrow. Here passive form is you will be called by Nidhi tomorrow. Now fourth part, past simple tense. In active sentence, first there is subject, then second form of verb and the object. Now object becomes the subject in the passive form and it is followed by the auxiliary verb was and were and plus third form of verb plus by and then the object. For example, active sentences, Salim planted 10 trees yesterday. Its passive is 10 trees were planted by Salim yesterday. Students, with this explanation is over. We will do back exercises tomorrow. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.